Alright, so here's the other big box, the last box. We're going to unbox it. This is all the CPU hardware, the motherboard, the CPU, RAM, hard drive, everything else is in this box right here. There we go. Alright, take a look inside. Here we have my Plextor Blu-ray disc. It's also a DVD burner and a CD burner. That's cool. I got this. It's like $100 and something, $50. Let's take a look at this. How much it cost me for all of this stuff. Let's see here. Oh, I got this from Tiger Direct. So let's see. Total is $1,114.94, and it's like $64 for shipping for both these boxes. Yeah, that's a lot of money we just spent there. Move this aside. So we have this Plextor Blu-ray I already told you about. This. Oh yeah, here's a hard drive. Stupid 5-inch, 1.5 terabyte from Seagate. It's a Barracuda. Runs at or spans at 7,200 RPM, 32 megabyte cache, SATA 3G. And I think it doesn't come with a SATA cable, but it's included in the case. So we have this. Let's see. Here's another expensive thing. AMD Phenom 2 X4 965. It's clocked at 3.4 gigahertz, quad core, 8 megabyte of total cache, socket AM3, and this is processor. I don't know if I should do unboxing of each individual box. You know, that'll be a lot of videos. So I don't think people want to watch that. But here's the CPU. Here is my Aerocool fan controller and card reader. So it's pretty cool because it has a flip out window and monitors your fan speed, and you can control it, make it faster or slower. It's also a card reader, and you could read almost any current media card that there is. So here's the box. Nothing really that interesting, but we'll take a look later on. Let's see, advertisement. Here's my second graphics card. It's a GeForce GTS 250. I have already had one before, so this will be my second graphics card, and I'll be running dual SLI on my motherboard. We'll get to my motherboard soon. It's pretty fast. I got this for like $150. PCI 2.0, 1 gigabyte of DVDR3 memory. It has the HDMI output. That's what I really want, because my monitor has HDMI, so I want to take advantage of the full HD. That's the graphics card. My fans. These are Cooler Master green LED 120mm fans, case fans. Like I told you before, I want to have a green theme going on with my case and build, so got these extra. I also have a 80mm fan for the opposite side behind the CPU. I'll install that as well. Now let's see here. PC 6400 DDR2 2 gigabyte memory sticks. So this is a total of 8 gigabytes. These are clocked at 800 megahertz. I got it because I like the NVIDIA SLI theme in green. You know, I'm trying to do that. 8 gigabytes. I'm gonna overclock this to, I don't know, as fast as it can be. It's 544 at 2.1 volts, and wait to put these in. 8 gigabytes of DDR2 RAM. So we'll put this right next to cooler. Alright, here's the mother, the main person here. It's Asus M4N82 Deluxe motherboard. I've been doing a lot of research, and I've narrowed it to this motherboard because I want to run AMD processors and I want to have NVIDIA. I just like these two brands, so that's why I found this one. The M3A79T Deluxe, that's a really good motherboard too if you want to run AMD processors with ATI Crossfire. These are basically the same thing, just that with the other, the M3A79, you get 4 PCI Express slots because Crossfire you can run 4 graphics card. But this, the most you could do is a 3-way SLI. It's a really good motherboard. I won't talk much about this motherboard. If you guys want to see more about this specific motherboard, just do a YouTube search. You should be able to find all the information that you want about it. This, okay, so let's see, we have one more box. Let's see what's in here. In here, I ordered so many stuff, I don't remember what they are. Oh, okay, it's a DVD writer. It'll be my second DVD writer. It's let's see, Lite-On, yeah, Lite-On DVD writer. Got it for $30, so I might as well get it, you know. Alright, so I think this is all the parts that's gonna go in to the computer. Let's move this away. Alright, so let's see here. Let's put all these together. All these bad boys. Let's get a good wide shot of all these. Let's see, let's move this down here. So, right there. Alright, get a good wide shot of all these parts. We're going to put all these together. Oh, and by the way, I already have a Corsair 750 watt power supply that I'm gonna transfer from my current computer to this one. I think it should be sufficient to run power everything in this case. Also, my current hard drive, my current computer, I might transfer it in here as well. And there you go. There's all the parts and a good $1,000 spent. Hopefully, when we install it, we won't run into too many problems. Thank you guys for watching.